In this video, we are going to discuss the various run levels on a Linux system and the differences between each one. A run level dictates what processes are going to be running on a system. This includes items such as particular networking services and what type of environment the user will be working in, whether a graphical environment or just a command line terminal. There are a total of 8 different run levels. We will discuss each one in this video. You can only have one run level active at a time. You cannot have multiple run levels active at the same time. So you can't have run level 2 for one user and run level 5 for another user. And here are the different run levels. Run level 0 means that the system is shut down. Run level 1 is for the single user mode, and that single user is the root user. It is mostly used for making repairs to a system. There is no network access within run level 1. This is also the mode where you can reset the root user's password in case you forget it. If that sounds like a security nightmare to you, we will show you how to lock that down. Run level 2 is a multi-user mode, meaning that more than one person can be on the system at the same time. It is a text-based mode, so there is no graphical desktop. The one thing that Run level 2 does not have is access to NFS shares, but other networking resources can be available. Run level 3 is a full multi-user mode with NFS access. All networking services are available in Run level 3. Run level 3 also is a text-only environment. Run level 4 isn't used, but can be customized according to the administrator. You will most likely never use this run level. Run level 5 is the run level that provides a full graphical desktop along with all networking services enabled. And finally, run level 6 is the reboot run level. Don't make this the default run level, otherwise your system will just constantly reboot. So how do we use these different run levels? Here we can see that we have a graphical desktop environment, so we must be in run level 5. We can verify this with the run level command. And we can in fact see that we are in run level 5. To change to another run level, we can use the telinit command. You have to be root to use this command. Just enter in telinit and the corresponding number for the run level you wish to switch to. Then press enter. And now we are in run level 3, the multi-user mode with networking. Now let's switch to run level 2. Let's first verify that we are in run level 2. And let's check our NFS service.
Service NFS status. It would be off.
And we can see that it is not running, but we do have web access. As we stated before, the etc init tab file is where the system's default run level is configured. And we can see that our system here is configured to automatically boot into run level 5. If you want your system to boot into run level 3 by default, just change the value here. Now we will save the file and reboot our system, and when it comes back up, it will default to run level 3. We will use the telinit 6 to reboot our system. In our next video, we will show you how you can boot into different run levels without modifying this file, which is helpful for troubleshooting.